Welcome to Module 2 of this Google Sheet course. In this module, I will show you how to set a name in Google Sheet, copy a spreadsheet, move the spreadsheet to different locations or folders, and also how to delete a spreadsheet. You can open Google Sheet in many ways. You can type in sheets.new in your browser and it will open a new spreadsheet for you. You can also go to Google Drive. You can see on the top left, New, and you can see Google Sheet. Click in the Google Sheet and it will also open a new Google Sheet for you. Now, you can see by default, the name of the Google Sheet is Untitled Spreadsheet. You can click here and type in anything you want to. For now, I will name it Library. Hit Enter and it will be saved automatically. You can see right here saving, right? And it is saved to Drive. So if you go to Google Drive and type in by the name library, you'll find the exact same file right there. Let us type in anything we want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit Enter and it will be saved automatically. You can see right here saving, right? And it's saved to Drive. Now if you go to Google Drive and if we type in here library, you can see right here, right? Library. And you will see the file we just created is right here.